For today's video, I'm going to be comparing two toners from the brand COSRX, and I have been testing out their whole acne line, and I am going to be doing a review for that very soon. It might already be up on my channel, but I'm going to be talking about the COSRX Original Clear Pad and then also their Calming Liquid Mild versions. Both of these products are made for those with acne-prone skin. The obvious difference between these right off the bat is that the Clear Pads are in a pad form, while the Calming Liquid Mild is a liquid type of toner. But they definitely have some ingredient differences, so I do want to talk about that as well. So starting off with the original Clear Pads, these are basically cotton pads soaked in essence, and this is supposed to be a toner. It has 85% Silex alba, which is willow bark extract, and willow bark extract is a BHA. That helps to reduce breakouts. It's also supposed to help with smoothing out texture. It also includes 1% of bentane salicylate, which is a low irritation BHA, and it's supposed to help with clearing congested pores and also help to balance oil production. And then the Calming Liquid Mild, this has BHAs, PHAs, and also the Centella ACRX. The Centella ACRX is in all of the AC collection products from COSRX, so it's part of their AC collection line. And basically what the Centella ACRX complex is it contains 3 forms of centella, and centella is a really soothing and calming ingredient. That is an ingredient that is found in a lot of Korean skincare. At least I have seen that it seems to be in a lot of Korean skincare, and I totally get why, because I feel like it's a really nice ingredient, especially if you have acne prone skin or sensitive skin, because it's very calming and very soothing. The Centella ACRX, again, like I mentioned, it has 3 forms of centella, and those 3 forms are madecassic acid, asiaticoside, and asiatic acid. So those are 3 forms of centella. It's supposed to help to treat acne and heal the skin without causing any irritation. The toner is supposed to help with removing excess sebum and preventing breakouts. This is alcohol free. It's supposed to be good for sensitive skin. It's supposed to help to maintain the oil moisture balance and calm irritation. Standout difference between these is the ingredients. This one has the 3 forms of centella in here, and this one has that willow bark extract. So I feel like overall, this is the mild version of their calming liquid. They do have an intensive version. I have not tried that. I do definitely want to try that eventually, but this is the mild version, and it is very calming. I would say probably this one is the most gentle if I'm kind of comparing the two, but at the same time, this is not irritating. At least it was not for me, not irritating at all. This does have the cotton pads. They do have 2 sides. You have a textured side and then just a regular side, and the texture side kind of just adds to add a little bit of exfoliation. But don't get me wrong, I mean, it's not like an abrasive pad. It's a very soft cotton pad, so I really don't think it's going to cause irritation unless you are sensitive to any of the ingredients. The Clear Pad, it does have orange peel oil in it, and normally I kind of like to avoid certain oils like that, like citrusy oils. So I was a little bit worried about that when I decided to test this out, but I can say, I've used this for a month now. I haven't had any issues with it causing any irritation, so for me that didn't end up being an issue, but I just thought that might be something to know if you know that your skin doesn't really react well to citrusy oils. I definitely tend to go for toners in this form just because, it's less harmful to the environment because you're not using cotton pads, just because I can, apply a liquid product like this directly to my hands and then apply it to my face. So, typically I do go for this type of a toner, but I will say I have really enjoyed this as well, and it has lasted me a long time. I got this little mini size. This was in a trial kit from COSRX. This lasted me like 3 weeks, and this one comes with 70 cotton pads in it. This one I do think has help with texture as well, whereas this one I don't know if it would help as much with texture. I feel like this one is more so focusing on like calming the skin and soothing the skin, and this one kind of I feel like might help more with like if you do have some breakouts. This can kind of help with actually like treating them a little bit more, because it does have that willow bark water in here, and then I feel like it just does provide a little bit of gentle exfoliation, which can be helpful. And I feel like because of that, it has helped with some texture, and I feel like my skin has just been really nice and smooth. So I feel like if you want a more soothing toner, something that's going to be very calming, I would say go for the Calming Liquid Mild. But if you want a toner that's going to be a little bit of a gentle exfoliation, but also maybe help with some texture, texture, then I would say maybe go for this one. You know, this one does, I think, also help to gently exfoliate, but I think it's even more gentle so than this one. But again, you know, this does have BHAs and PHAs in here that, you know, does kind of provide a little bit of exfoliation. Obviously not a lot. It's a very gentle amount of exfoliation, but just kind of something to note. So those are the differences between them. I hope that was helpful. If you do have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know what your favorite toners are, especially if you do have acne prone skin like me. I would love to find some new products that I might want to try. If you do want to check either of these out, I will have them listed and linked in the description box below. If you did enjoy this video and you found it helpful, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you like skincare related content, I do a lot of skincare related content on this channel. If you enjoy that, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all for my next video. Bye guys.